is this going to reduce driver oversaturation? Well, we'll see. What do you think?
It's the next one.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, so Uber, what is the risk to deportation from Trump's immigration policy on rideshare and food delivery? Well, we've been talking about this for a while, and in fact, this topic and the next one are kind of together. The point is, obviously, Mr. Trump, is saying that he's going to deport a bunch of people, illegals, obviously, and is it going to reduce oversaturation, Chris? Do you think it's going to? Because I know the part of the oversaturation problem is, besides illegal immigrants, is illegal accounts, and most illegal immigrants are running under illegal accounts, as you guys will see on the next topic. Who brought me my food? And so, yeah, what do you think? You think Trump's immigration policy is going to reduce oversaturation?
If you get it off the ground and, you do actually do a mass deportation, then yeah, you're probably going to see it, especially in these areas that are much heavier when it comes to the amount of people that are in that area. So, places like Denver, New York City, Chicago, you're probably going to see a lot of turnaround on that if they are actually truly going to deport these people and have a real significant impact on how many people are truly deported. Yeah, you're probably absolutely going to.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Okay, well, funny enough, I'm on GLG and GuidePoint. Those are like consulting companies. They're like the Uber of consulting, right? So they find you clients, and you're a network member, and then you do consulting calls with these companies. I just got a request yesterday, Chris. Guess what was it about? It's an analyst firm, right? One of these Wall Street firms. And the question was, the analysts want to know what percentage of rideshare drivers are illegal, and what are the qualifications of an illegal to be on these platforms. And he was literally asking me this question: what do you think the new immigration policy is going to affect the driver supply for Uber? And I'm pretty sure he's an Uber or Lyft analyst or a Doordash analyst. So I did my enter, so I'm waiting, if they're going to pick me or not, because a bunch of consultants, just pick it. And I think it's going to make a big difference if he's going to, especially in the border cities. I think it's going to make a big difference. And I think it's safer for the consumer. And thank you, Mark.
Thanks.
Yeah, I agree. All the border cities, Texas, Miami, LA, California, anyway, it's going to make a big difference, I think, if he does what he says he's going to do. And let's just, I mean, look, you don't want anybody separated from their families and whatever, this and that. I understand the human side of the story, but we're a rideshare channel.
Sergio, if you're driving drunk, you got a kid in the back car, they're going to separate you. You're going to jail.
Yeah.
So,
illegal is illegal, man. I don't know. Yeah.
I mean, so, hey, look, I have no problem with people coming in here. I do it the right way. And, things are a lot better that way. With the massive influx, you're putting a lot of services at risk. There's a lot of people who are going to be upheld because of everything. Schools are becoming, centers for them to stay at. Hotels, same thing. So there's a lot of things going on. But yeah, I think honestly, if they actually do a mass deportation, yeah, you're probably going to see these areas kind of open up in terms of how much oversaturation there is. Do I think it's going to solve the problem? Absolutely not. I think
No,
there's
no,
too
no,
many
no,
people
no.
out
It's not
there.
going to clear. No,
That's
it's not going to
that's
clear it up.
desperation. But
Yeah, no,
you
no.
know, some of the other policies that is talking about, like trying to drill, baby, drill. And if you
Yeah.
can start cutting costs of gas and start cutting costs of production and start cutting costs from A to Z when it comes to, you know, manufacturing to finished product, if you start cutting all those costs and you're able to get them down, yeah, then you probably will, because less people will actually have to go out and feel the desperation saying, hey, I still need to go out and make $250 more a month because I have X, Y, and Z bill, and those types of things. So that could have a big impact as well too. So I think it's a few policies that could potentially lead to, you know, some drivers saying, "Hey, I don't need to do this anymore. My job is enough," and they might not be doing it anymore, which can help other drivers who are, you know, stuck, and their URs, utilization rates are, you know, 40-50%. Those types of things I think could potentially help.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.